Hey all, hope you all are good. Today I'm gonna show how to combine file present in a directory having a same schema using Talend. So let's create a job. Let's give a job name combine files 1 2 3. Okay. So for you use a t file list component. What it does, it iterates the all the files that are present in a directory. So okay, as you can see, these three files are present. These all files have the same schema of employee name, employee ID, DOB, and sex. So what I will do, I will combine all these files output into a single file. Okay, so let's give the path. Okay, if there is a directory inside the directory, we can check this option. We will provide a mask. So what it will check inside a directory, it will look for that that file name begins with emp. Rest can be anything, and it the file has a format of csv. Any other file will not be read. Okay, so I think that's it. Now we will use a t file input delimiter that will use to input a read a file. It is asking for a schema. Schema means the metadata of this. So what I will do, uh, Uh, I will I will first I have to create a schema. So let's first a schema name is it as file underscore merge. Let give this a name. We need to provide a path of a sample file. Let it could be this. Okay. Okay. We need to provide field separator. Field separator is this how the fields are separated. It can use you can see that is a straight line which separates them. Okay. So okay, it is reading what it shows the output how it gonna read your file. So you can see that here it's reading correctly. Set heading row as column. So what it will do, it will select the first row as your header. If you select two, it will consider two rows as a header. So I will select default as one. Okay, let's click on next. Check the data type emp string character. Okay, I think all are correct. Let's finish. We'll use this metadata. Click on OK. Let's recheck the schema is correct. Okay, all are correct. I think suppose. Okay, so here we need to specify which what will be the name of the file. As we are reading several files, we need to create a variable whose value comes from this. Just drag and drop. What it will do, whatever the file it's reading, it will give its name. Okay, so here field separator is this. Okay, I think rest all options are correct. Let me provide a header value is 1 and let's connect. Now we will combine all the files output using a t file input delimiter. First, let me connect this. Okay, let's give a schema to the file. Okay, let's view. Okay. Let me provide a path. Okay, we can change this also. We will use append so that after reading it all the file, it will append its values. Okay, schema seems fine. Let's run. Okay, so the task has been completed and .csv file has been created. Okay, you can see that all the file output has been combined. Hope you like this video. So thank you.